How to create a free WordPress website with free web hosting. If you want to create a free WordPress website with free web hosting, it's actually quite simple. First of all, you open your browser and go to wordpress.com and create a free account on WordPress. In my case, I have already created it, so I'll simply go to the login button. But it's pretty much easy to follow up. You can continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, or your Jetpack application and log into WordPress using any of these services. In this case, I'll simply log in using my Google account. So once you have logged into WordPress, this is the interface you will see. If you have not already created a site, it will ask you to go ahead and then create a new site. If you have already created, you can also create a new site. So basically you have to go to this little option over there which says launch site and so on. You can see a couple of options right here. So what you can do is you can hit the add new site button from the bottom left and go about creating a new site. This site, you can simply choose a domain right over here. So basically go ahead and choose a domain. After you choose a domain for yourself, you want to simply go ahead and select it, and after that you can hit the continue, or you can choose the domain later and purchase it later. Now you can simply choose the type of WordPress plan. You can choose to create a free account and select start with free option. Once you select start with free, it will lay some of the foundations. Next up, you have to basically choose the type of WordPress website you want. Let's say like you want a blogging website or an e-commerce website where you want to sell your goods. You can simply go ahead and choose a template. If it's for blogging, you can choose a blogging template. If it's for your business, you can choose a business template. If it's for your portfolio, choose a portfolio template. Now based on whatever it is you prefer, you can just go ahead and select unlock button. Now if that theme is free, you'll find that the free option. If it's not free, you can just simply select this free tool here and select any of these options, and then you can hit the continue button. And once you've done that, the rest of the things are pretty much very easy because you can customize most of these information yourself, because everything is pretty self-explanatory. On the left hand side, you can come to home, you can give your site a name, update the design, add a post. If you want to view your site live, you can hit the view site option, and later on you can go ahead and then launch the site as well. This way you can create a WordPress website with free web hosting. You might want to think of purchasing the domain, however, even the hosting is actually quite free. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.